His cable management is still a work in progress. And his overhead is still in progress. Woo! Are you moving that manually?
Mm-hmm. I can do it from the LCD screen too.
Nice. So
and
all
the
the
Z-axis too, but you can
barely see it, yeah. That's pretty cool. Wow, dude.
I just gotta get a router on it now. Well, once I do the test draw, I'm trying to draw a crown, which is the test calibration draw or whatever, then I can put a router on it.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice work, man. Only $10,000 and 100 man hours later.
Not $10,000.
All right, a couple $100. Is that as fast as it goes, or do you have it set at a slow rate? Don't make it fast just because I'm curious.
Hold on. I don't know how to change the speed quite yet. Print speed. Is that a little faster?
Seems like it's going faster.
This is, yeah. Some people say you can set to 1200.
Don't screw it up, dude.
Doesn't seem to be going any faster. It's like, no, you can't go any higher.
Well, congratulations, Joel. You got it moving. That's pretty cool. Now what's next? What's the next step on it?
Draw the calibration crown, put the router on it, and start cutting.
Really?
I think so.
Cool. All right, stay tuned for part 3 when Joel starts making sawdust. Well, ink fumes first, then sawdust.